All right, on the way to go meet Mike. He's got himself a new coil, the X35, like the largest one they have, and he wants to test it out, so I'm going to go with him and see what we can find. Look at him. He's got my breakfast. What a guy. Wait till he looks. There he is. There's our boy Mike out there still trying. Just some scrap iron and stuff. He just wanted to see if he could get any deep targets with that ginormous coil he's got there. He's got quite a few things out of this field over the years.
It's like multiple signals. Some all the way down there. Right in the bottom.
Chop it up good. Now he's on it. Sort of.
Saw something.
There it is, in his hand. Just rolled out of the hand.
Harmonica reed.
There you go.
That's it. And there's another piece of it over here. There it is.
Another piece of it.
Yeah.
Hey, we're already doing better. I had one in here somewhere, I think. Damn, where'd it go? It's right there somewhere.
Get it.
Where's it at, man? Shit. There it is. There we go.
What is it?
I don't know. Memorial panel.
Engine?
Huh?
It's an engine.
No.
It is. There you go. What is that? 1898, 1896, 1888, something like that.
So good. Sure is.
There you go.
Well, you know, man.
All right. You can get going.
We'll take that.
Got some footage.
That's right. All right, this sounds pretty good. We'll see. 89. Yeah, stand. So let's see if we can find it. If I had my hand digger, it would make things easier. All right, it's down in there. Hold on. Yep. Try not to kill it. See what it is. I'll do this one-handed. There, let's see if we can find it in that. There it is. Uh-huh. It's like a bullet. Yeah. Take that. I found any bullets here. Got a little lead for the day. I'll show that to Mike. Something nice and green there. Let's see what it is. No. No. Hey! Like, in a hurry. Holy. He's gonna have a fit. Watch this. Put the glove over it.
What?
All right. Seriously, you ready?
Yeah.
Pick up that glove.
What?
Pick up that glove.
Are you? Is that what I think it is?
Yeah.
You get it.
I haven't looked at it.
You do the honors, man.
Here.
Here.
Trade places. So
yeah,
we're
yeah.
not with this in the
Well, I
back.
found this, but it's not as cool as yours. I think it's a canteen spout. Holy.
Yeah.
All right, you pick it up and brush it off.
I don't have a brush.
Well, I mean, with your fingers.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, let me see if I can get it in there a little bit. All right, what's on it?
That's the bag. No.
You gotta be shitting me.
No.
Sorry.
No. That's not what that is. I'm seeing things. Wait.
It is, isn't it? It's like, yeah. It's one of those like little script ones, isn't it?
Dude.
I got a brush in the truck.
Yeah, go get that.
This is Happy Face.
Still recovering from that CS tongue. That's insane. Looking for the wreath. But in the meantime, I got something here. It's green and thin, maybe a button back. It's a flat button, I think. Yeah. Flat button. But we'll keep going. We'll take that.
Scott's over there somewhere trying to find the wreath to the tongue. And I just found a carved sharps right here. And I got another bullet out of the hole here. I'm not sure what it is yet. Oh, nice. Nice little pistol bullet. Pretty cool. Awesome. Might be. That should be another mason jar lid like the last hole like this I dug at the hustle.
Well, I'd hate for it to be something and not get it, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, I see something green. Stop. Stop.
Something green.
Yeah.
I hate this cord.
That's the kind of color I saw the tongue. Well, see, that's something green. Yeah. Be careful there, brother. It's got some age to it for sure. Break my wreath. Oh, it's another one. No,
it's a hinge.
It had that shape.
There's my tongue.
Yeah, there it is. Tongue. Yeah.
It's like a clasp, like to hinge to a trunk or something.
Still has some age to it.
Stick.
That's period.
Yeah.
Oh, for a second there.
Me too.
All right, I think that's going to be it for me today. Just another little flat button. Running out of time, so we'll go look for that wreath some other time. But it might be out here. Let's wrap it up for the day, buddy.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
I'm done.
You're
Let's
done?
wrap it up.
All right, let's see what you got.
Oh man, all kinds of stuff. What do you think? Scabbard tip? I don't think so. I don't know. It looks kind of weird. Couple little bullets. That one looks like it's been carved into something. Maybe one of these. Flat button, blow cook. A couple of these guys. Found a few of these out here. I don't know what they are. I think that's a canteen spout.
Let's see what's safe there.
And all the junk.
And all the junk.
Dug a bunch of holes.
Bunch of holes.
What did you get? Let me hold the
Here.
camera.
You hold the camera.
What did you get?
Let's see, I got a spoon and a ring. And then this thing. And then got me one of them there bullets.
Yeah.
Whatever this thing is. Container or something.
Some kind of, it looks hollow.
Something 1896 maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Couple of flat buttons. And this thing.
What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
That's
I
junk.
think it's like a
Civilian junk.
lid off of like an old soda can.
Pick it
or
up,
something.
man. Pick it up, man. Pick it up, man. Oh my God.
All right, come on now. Don't show anything vital around here.
Nonsense. Dude,
Yeah,
that's awesome.
that's what I'm talking about.
Awesome, man.
And there's the wreath.
Congratulations.
There's the wreath.
Here, with this one.
There you go. Still on the hunt for the wreath.
There you go.
Perfect.
Good job, man.
All right, brother. Next time.
Next time.